Alright, so welcome back to Millennial Hacks, and thank you for watching today as always. So this video is going to be an unboxing of the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Now the Freedom Unlimited, I've been wanting to get my hands on this card for a while now because I have a lot of spend sometimes that doesn't really go to, the right places. As in, sometimes I could be paying my phone bill and I don't have a card that has, I get cash back for phone bills when I'm paying for it unless it's just 1%. So to get 1.5% back on everything of this means that I really don't usually, are out of the ordinary, like buying pet supplies. It's really big helpful to me. So we're going to be going over that today. I have the package, which I'm really excited for, and we're going to get right into this unboxing so I can show you all how it's done. Alright, here we go. The Chase Freedom Unlimited unboxing. So let's see what it has inside of the envelope. First up, Freedom and Freedom Unlimited. So the Freedoms is basically like just a two pair of cards. Obviously the other one is 5% rotating categories, and then this one's 1.5 on all purchases. So that is just the booklet, and this is just the welcome unlimited cashback 1.5. The great thing about the unlimited is that if you purchase, you can redeem points basically at any time you would like. So it's a really good thing. Next we have this personal information. Just gonna put that aside. Alright, and behold, the moment we've been all waiting for is the Chase Freedom card is here. So obviously they put Freedom Unlimited. If you saw the unboxing on the Sapphire, they have the same thing here, which is pretty weird, but hey, you got the card. And it's the card. Obviously I put the yellow tape on there to just block out any hidden information, but you get the idea. So this is it. This is the card. Let's peel it. The sound of the peeling is like always just really satisfying of everything. So this is the card. Obviously it's a Visa signature. This card actually I got it because it was a downgrade option from the Chase Sapphire Preferred and later from the Chase Sapphire card. So I can put that in a video of how I did everything and how that all came about. So this is definitely a plastic card compared to the Freedom, to the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So just wanted to let everyone know that. Alright, and for the most part, this is the card. I got this for a downgrade option from the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Then from the Chase Sapphire, I downgraded into this. So it's been two downgrade options, but we finally got it. I'm definitely going to use this card to its full potential. I'm glad I got it. And this is a really beneficial card. I hope everyone enjoys this video, and let's just head back so I can close up for today. So that was pretty cool. Hope you all enjoyed that unboxing. Now I want to ask a question. So who has the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and how has it been using it so far? What cards do you have along with it? Maybe do you have the Chase Trifecta with it, and how is it with combined points? I know that Chase kind of cut back a lot of good things that they had benefits wise, but how's it been? So if you have the Chase Freedom Unlimited, definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like it. Also subscribe if you found this information very helpful. Give this video a like, and I will catch you next time.